Hey, what's going on? This is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated, and today I just want to talk a little bit about wheel bolts. So wheel bolts that are going to be replacing other wheel bolts. And I sell these on eBay, sell them on Amazon, I sell them on my website, but you're going to grab them on our website because you're going to save a couple bucks. Anything you ever buy from me, go to my website. I sell it cheaper because I don't have to deal with eBay fees, Amazon fees, and all that stuff. After saying that, though, so I advertise these wheel bolts on Amazon, on eBay, and I sell them as a replacement for Style 5, Style 19s. Okay. So people are getting confused, and I guess I need to clarify. I think it's my responsibility to clarify what's happening here. Because what happens is people buy these and they go, let's see if I can hold these. They go, those are obviously different bolts and you're false advertising. These don't work. They do work, and I'll tell you why they work. So if you look at this bolt, this is the stock Style 5, Style 19 bolt. If you look, it's significantly bigger just underneath the head there. So it's got knurls. It's different bolts, right? So why is this one different than this one, and why can this one work in replace of this one? So if you look at how this works, this stock bolt will go in the hole and then it presses in. So this thing doesn't move. Why does it do that? Because if you look at the head of the bolt, there's nothing to grab. It's just round. So if you take one of the bolts I sell that doesn't work like that, it just goes in and it spins. It's actually a little bit sloppy. So the reason that this one doesn't have the knurls and it doesn't need to press in is because it's like a regular 12-point head on here. So you can grab this with a socket. That's a whole entire reason that they did the knurls on this stock bolt, is because there's nothing else to grab. You can't tighten it down. So, but that doesn't mean you can't use these, right? So all that is, the only reason they press in there, the only reason they're held in there is because you can't hold these. That's it. Don't overthink it. So, but the next problem people will have is, hey, these are bigger, and since these are smaller, they go in here now, and then they move around and everything, and now the wheel's not centered, no, everything's out of balance, all this stuff. That's not true either. So if you look at the way these wheels work, they have a lip here. This lip goes in here. This is what centers it. This is what makes it true. This is everything that the wheel needs to work that way. So all these bolts are doing is they're just clamping the barrel to the face. That's all they're doing, is they're just holding together. They're not making it round. They're not making it true. They're not making it anything. You're not losing any strength because these are holding the weight. The wheel face and the barrel bear all the weight. So everything about the bolt is just holding it together. That's it on these on this style wheel. So you do not need that hole to be filled. You don't need anything. These are just to hold it together and to look good. So I hope that makes sense. There's no reason you can't replace the stock bolt with these bolts. I have done this so many times, rebuilding or refinishing people's wheels for years now, zero failures. So to say it doesn't work would be crazy. So, and if you don't believe in that, that's fine too. You can go grab stock style bolts, but 100% these work, and I want to make that very clear. So if you want to grab some new wheel bolts, just go ahead and go on my website, satisfiedincorporated.com. Should be the best price on there. So I appreciate you watching the video. And if you have comments or questions, why maybe you don't think this work, or, if you want to challenge it and you say they don't work, I'm up for that too. Go ahead and comment. Your problem is I've got results in my history. Like I said, I've built so many of these wheels without problem. So, but I would be up for the comment, and I'm up for the discussion of why you think they don't work. So hopefully that helps people when they buy these, and hopefully it can help me not take so many returns when people don't understand how this whole system works. So I appreciate you watching, and catch you on the next one.